Well, I want to stop here and take a moment to talk about the importance of understanding the ability to be able to upload files to your server. And WordPress is so much drag and drop and widgets and plugins and the background, all this PHP that most of us don't really understand, so that we don't have to really deal with a lot of things. We can click a button and upload some images. We can click buttons and add pages. But in the old days, like now for many people, you have to create HTML documents and create images, put them in a files folder, and then upload those things to the server. And the reason I bring this up now is we have our page here, and I want to do something fancy with the background. It's like we have a white plain background. I could change it to blue or green or purple, whatever. But what if I want an image in the background? Or what if I want this header to go full screen all the way across all of the time? Well, to do that, we're going to have to use CSS, and we're going to have to actually write some CSS code to put that in the background. Now, most themes will give you the ability to change the color of a background, but very few themes offer you the ability to actually put an image in the background, and you want to be able to control how that image is put in. So I think this is a prime time to talk about uploading files to your server. Now, if you have a website, you have a server, GoDaddy, Bluehost, whatever, and what you're going to have to do is, I'm in Dreamweaver right now, and this is how I FTP stuff to my server. And for you, those of you that are kind of new to this, over here on the right side, I have all of my files on my computer for my website. And over here on the left side, these are the files that are actually on the server itself. And on the server, all of my Build a Geek files are in a folder called Build a Geek. And all of my WordPress stuff, you can see WP, 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 and most of the stuff you're going to mess with WordPress is right here under WP content. Now, though I'm in Dreamweaver, in the Dreamweaver FTP file transfer protocol client, FTP programs, if you have a website, you own one at GoDaddy or at Bluehost. It may look a little bit different, but they function the same. You're going to see the stuff on your computer on one side, the stuff on your server on the other side. This is one reason I use Dreamweaver, just for the FTP function. And what we're going to want to do is, notice if you go into your WP content, into your themes folder on the server, and let's say I was updating the style sheet for this theme right here, I would edit the style sheet over here, and then I would just, I can either click here and upload to the server by clicking this little arrow, which I really don't like to do, or I can just drag this style sheet right over here, and that is going to make the changes. So there are some free FTP programs out there, like FileZilla is very popular. Look it up. Free FTP services. You will have to configure this. It's it might be real easy, but if you're not familiar with it, and if you don't own Dreamweaver, I would download FileZilla and call your web host. Ask for technical support. Tell them that you just downloaded FileZilla, or if you have Dreamweaver, contact technical support, tell them you have Dreamweaver, tell them you want to update the style sheet, and that you need to be able to connect to the server to be able to do that. And technical support at GoDaddy or Bluehost or even HostGator, they will walk you through exactly how to do this. Now, there are many other reasons you want to be able to upload to the server directly instead of WordPress doing this for you, because some things WordPress does not do, and this is where you take your fate into your own hands and cross the street between being just Joe Blow dependent to being in control of your site.